Hey guys, so I'm actually in Best Buy with my family, and we were supposed to return a printer, a brand new printer. Forgot to bring that, had to go to the Geek Squad, and I'm walking around here and I'm looking at a bunch of cool products that personally I look at on Amazon and on the 3P marketplaces every day, and I'm realizing there's a huge difference in price between a lot of the products in this store and a lot of the ones on Amazon that are advertised by the 3P resellers. And it got me to thinking and doing some research on what makes our electronics manufacturers and brands. What are some of the unique differences between them having to enforce and the impacts of unauthorized sellers in the 3P marketplaces versus any of the other verticals and industry groups? And one of them is, like what we were supposed to do here today, return a brand new item that we hadn't used. With a lot of stores like this retailer or a lot of other electronics retailers, they take these unused, or in many cases used items also, and they take them and they go ahead and they send them off to B-stock auction sites once they've been returned to the store. A lot of these are still brand new in the box. What that does is it winds up providing a lot of inventory for unauthorized sellers to be able to acquire some of the best electronics products on earth at low cost. So they're now able to list them on Amazon well below MAP pricing. And not every industry group is capable of doing that, because some products, food products, vitamins, supplements, these are perishable items. These are things that have almost an eternal shelf life as long as the product is good. So a lot of these things can be recycled through one retailer to another. A lot of times electronic stores, if there's new startups or smaller stores, they can go into different aspects of liquidation. I'm not 100% certain that this store is okay with what I'm doing, so I hear music getting turned up, employees walking around. Guys, I hope that's okay, but as I was in this store, I really had an idea that I wanted to convey this concept and really explain some of the differences between electronics companies and some of the other types of brands that we represent. Also, some real important things to know, guys, regarding electronics companies. A lot of these products are not gateable products on Amazon, meaning that there's not a lot that you can do working with the marketplaces, Amazon or Vero on eBay, to actually protect or prevent unauthorized sellers from listing them. And that's because of the propensity to counterfeit these types of products in the first place, and how hard it can be to tell those types of replicas. So in any case, it's a very unique niche, and in most of the cases we do find that these products are authentic and real genuine products of the brands that wind up just either slipping through the cracks or being sent off to liquidation or B-stock auction sites that all of these major electronics retailers use. I hope this has been of value to you, and I appreciate it very much.